If y'all want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Hey y'all, it's Key and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be retwisting the first 2 rows of my locks. It's been about 3 weeks since I started them, and I just washed the front of it. So my hair like gets really dry and sometimes kind of flaky, and this is what I use, and it has helped my scalp so much. So before I do anything, I want to go ahead and put some of this on my scalp, and that'll also be a good barrier like from the gel, because I do have a sensitive scalp. And I am kind of generous with this product when I use it, because my scalp be itching, y'all. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video with me, Key. In the video I said it's been about 3 weeks since I started these locks, but now it's actually been almost 2 months, but I take my sweet ass time editing these videos. So anyway, I'm not going to be doing too much talking. Some of the clips that are in normal speed, you'll just hear me talking in those. And I kind of do use a lot of product when I'm retwisting somebody else's hair, but when I'm twisting my own hair, I try to leave it, like not use so much, because like I said, my scalp is sensitive and I will be itching. Like y'all, I have to wash my hair like twice a week sometimes, because I just can't take how much it itches. So to get a clean part, as I've said in so many of my other videos, you want to put the product directly on the part and then repart it. And I need my parts clean. Like, I love a clean retwist, y'all. And when you're retwisting your hair, anyone else's hair, make sure you twist to the right. To the right. Or if you're watching the video and it's backwards, to the right. So it should be going clockwise. Because sometimes I have to do that because I'll be confused. And when I'm retwisting all this little extra hair, I wrap that around my lock. Twist. And I am 2-strand twisting these just to match the rest of my hair that's already crinkly. Y'all, I definitely do have more lock extension updates and more retwist videos on the way. I might actually do a style on myself other than these 2 strands, even though this is my favorite style. Other than that, I mean, everything's been going good. Sometimes your extensions may need a little maintenance, which just means you'll take your tool and you'll tighten it up a little bit, which I've had to do to maybe 2 or 3 of my locks. But overall, I love it. I would not go back and do them in different sides. I would not change the length. I really love everything about these. And if you would like to purchase some locks, then you can go to keyslocks.com, which will be in the description below. And yeah, my Instagram is @keyswork_, which y'all should know by now. Y'all follow me, you know, comment, subscribe on YouTube. And I appreciate everybody, y'all. Can y'all believe that I'm at 400 subscribers? Like, I'm not at 400, but I'm at like 396. When I recorded this video, I'm telling y'all, I only had like 310, 315. So y'all are really showing out with the subscribing. Y'all are showing out with the views. Like, yo, on the road to 500. That's all I gotta say. So y'all enjoy this video. I'ma catch y'all later. And you know what? I actually hadn't made up my mind until just now, but I'm doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, which honestly, the way things are going, is probably going to be in about a month. So if you want the chance to win $200, or maybe I'll do 100 for 2 different people, I don't know yet, but y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, because every single subscriber is going in the box, okay? Not the new subscribers, not the old subscribers, everybody.
Y'all, doing this gets tiring, and I'm only doing 2 rows. I can't imagine doing my whole head. My arms are tired, my back hurts. I've been doing hair all day, so you know what I'm saying. Taking the time to finally do my own hair, it's nice, it's refreshing, you know, to be able to have time for myself. But y'all, my hands and my back hurt, and my feet hurt. I mean, my feet don't hurt, but I was standing up all day. I just don't feel like doing this sometimes, but I don't know as many people. I don't know that many people that can like retwist as well as I can. So sometimes, you know, I just gotta bite the bullet and do it myself. But I would prefer to let someone else do my hair. Comment down below if you do your own hair, because you are a strong person if you can sit and do your own hair. I used to hate doing my hair. Like, I used to cry doing my hair. When I would have to do braids and sew-ins and stuff on myself, it would take me 10 hours and I would cry. I would take cry breaks because I didn't want to do it. I think I'm gonna have to add some hair to this one. It's a little thin. That's another thing about extensions. Like, I'm gonna start just making my extensions with blonde hair if somebody wants a color, because when you make the extension and then you color the hair, it kind of, if you know anything about hair, or if you've bleached your hair, you know it's like softens your hair texture. So like, it'll kind of start taking the lock apart, if that makes sense. If you do hair, you probably know what I'm talking about. But yeah, bleach, like, it changes the texture. So some of these locks are kind of acting like they want to loosen up or unravel or whatever. And I gotta do something about that before they get like too bad. job. Yeah, I'm tired though. I had a long day. I wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning because I have class at 9. So just hella tired. Then I go right from class home, eat, and gotta go right to the salon. Like, I take my first client. I said my first client. I meant to say appointment. I take my first appointment at 11:30, something like that, every day. Tell me that I'm with what versus who did it and why. Oh, what your name is? Who did it and why? Dang, girl, you fine. I play all day. But yeah, so I really should do my whole head. But if you look at the rest of my head, it doesn't look bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't look bad. I wanted my front rows fresh. Cause you know, it's a birthday dinner. Like, it's definitely bound to be pictures taken and all that. And for my locks, I had to have a middle part. That was non-negotiable for me because I just love a middle part. I like to be able to throw it in the side part if I want, but I want my predominant part, like what I mostly wear, to be a middle part. I love myself with a middle part. Y'all comment down below where you like your part, on the side, the middle, maybe a deep side part, because I know some girls that look really good with a deep side part. I really should have got on freaking YouTube Live and did this because this video is gonna be hell to edit. Right now we at 20 minutes already. And I'm probably gonna have to do this for 20 more. But I really like to keep my videos like below 25 minutes so that people can sit and watch the whole thing. You know, sometimes you just want to watch a quick video. You don't really feel like watching no long ass video. I don't know what kind of hairstyle I'm gonna have tonight. I might do this ponytail that I have now, just like a regular ponytail, but I'm probably gonna leave the corner pieces out because I like for hair to frame my face, because I kind of got a fat face, y'all, and even though it's a gorgeous face, okay, I still like hair hanging in my face a little bit. Like, this is cool. I'll walk out the house like this, but I like it, you know, in my face. That's just how I like it. Somebody somewhere understands how I feel, because they feel the same way. It's some people that will never wear their hair up because they just like it in their face. They like it to frame their face. Halfway there. We're halfway there. What song is that? I don't know. I feel like that's a song. halfway there, halfway there. I don't know, y'all. If y'all know that song, comment that song down below for me, so I can know I'm not crazy. Okay, this is gonna be difficult because the light is on this side of me. So, do y'all see the difference between this and this hot mess? If you come to me with this much new growth, automatically $20 upcharge. Automatically $20, because this is crazy. This looks like I haven't had my hair done in like a year. In reality, it's just not locked yet. You know, when you do lock extensions, your roots take a couple of months to lock. Y'all, feel so good scratching my head. I probably need to wash my hair, honestly. I washed it like probably 2 weeks ago now. And it's good to really wash your hair once a week. But it's like once I wash it, the retwist is gone, and I'm be walking around looking like this. And I mean, some people look good with this look, you know, the real natural, real Rastafari or whatever, but not me. I like to see my parts. But I have seen some very beautiful women that walk around with their hair like this, you know what I'm saying, and they make it work. And I could probably pull it off too, because look at me, I'm gorgeous, but not today, not this time. Ooh, this is what I'm talking about. My head be itching, y'all. That's why I put that oil on before I put the gel on my scalp as like a protective barrier, because the itching I go through, it does not make sense, seriously. You would think that, y'all, I just spilled my whole container of rubber bands. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is retwist this second half off camera, come back when I'm done. Since y'all saw me do the whole first side, it's really no point. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. So I'll be back in a minute. Probably with a filter, honestly, you know me. All right, you guys, my hair is done. I did a little bit of edges too, because I told y'all I'm going out tonight. So my hair is done. I'm going to go sit under the dryer just so that this part can dry and be crinkly to match the rest of my hair. And thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. On the road to 400 subscribers now, because yes, your girl is at like 315 or something like that. But you know, in my last video, I wasn't even at 300, and I'm just so happy. Oh yeah, you guys, I retwisted the back row of my hair too, because I'm gonna wear it up in a ponytail for the dinner tonight. But you guys, like, comment, subscribe, comments, anything you want to see me do, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And just like that, I turned into a baddie. Y'all, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what videos y'all want to see next. Follow me at keyswork_ on Instagram, and I'll see y'all in the next video.